fans, what's up? What's up? Y'all know what it is. Big Red in the building. Let's go. So we coming back with another build, man. Y'all know my slogan. If it ain't custom, it ain't finished. All right, so got another build in here. Building an '84 Regal. We transitioning this vehicle all the way to a Grand National. So if y'all look back at some of my videos, y'all see where we done a lot of taking stuff out, transition to move stuff around in this vehicle. So I'm gonna kind of bring y'all into here so y'all can see a little bit of the stuff that we done already done to this car, man. It's gonna, y'all need to watch this video, man. There's gonna be a lot of things that y'all see on this vehicle, man. If y'all got a Grand National, if y'all got a Regal, if y'all wanna do something like this, man, tune in, subscribe, let's go. All right, so first off, starting off, we got just put the digital dash up in it. So got that going, dynamitted everything in the floor. So as you can see, the dash in here was all stitched up from LNS Customs out in Fort Worth. Me and Jay actually done all the dynamite ourselves. We got the custom power window regulators. So got the brand new power window regulators in. I did start installing the brand new automatic locks. Put the brand new trim in here, so everything on the inside and outside is gonna be damn near touched on this vehicle. So we got a brand new hood with the 455 GNX on it. All new, brand new foaming all the way through the whole vehicle. Stitching all the way down the side of each panel on each side. So as you can see, it's stitching throughout the whole car, the red stitching. So yeah, man, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna walk y'all this way. Then we're gonna come to the engine. We got the 455 Buick with a cam in it. I don't know the mid on the cam, but it do have a stall torque converter, 3000 stall torque converter. We got the Demon carburetor we got on it right now. We're about to replace the distributor out with an MSDS distributor. Do the CVS serpentine system on the front. So I got a lot of fun things coming with this vehicle, man. So y'all tune in. Gotta get somebody over here to wire this damn thing up. I'm not a wiring expert. As you see, we got all the little fun toys and shit on the ground. So got a lot of things coming with this car, man. I want y'all to tune in, subscribe, man. Check me out. We're gonna be walking around this car as we go through the build, showing y'all what we doing, showing y'all the problems that we run into, showing you the what's not, what to do, what we think not to do. So, like I said, I'm not a professional in no form, no shape, no how. But at the end of the day, man, we building this car. We finna get this damn thing off the ground. We building a whole website around it. We building everything around this Grand National, my Impala, and a couple other builds that we got, man. So y'all tune in, subscribe, man. Let's go get it. Like I said, if it ain't custom, it's not finished. Let's go.